guys are ridiculous. Freaking cobwebs in my car, dude. Oh, if you guys are wondering, AFR wideband went out again, so I have one of those on order. There's freaking cobwebs in my car. Bro. Bear with me, guys. I've been up all freaking day. I've been up since 5 in the morning. And just so you guys know, the hustle is real. It's Tuesday, the 25th, and it's 3:06. You guys are seeing this video today. I'm editing it and putting it out in 2 hours, and I've been up since 5 a.m., man, so I'm about to be up for 24 hours. I just got home from work, and it feels damn good to be in shoes, sneakers again, and not in work boots, so. Regardless, man, I'm so happy to be out here filming for you guys. But anyways, today's video is going to be why I'm not boosting the car and why I've never boosted the car. And for all you guys asking, Chris, when are you gonna boost the car? But the 2-valve, I'm not. And there's a simple reason for that, guys. It's, you know, I mean, it's very simple. To simply put it, the car's maxed out already, guys. Y'all know on this car, the OGs know, on the plate kit that's currently on the car on a 100 shot, the car made 380 horsepower and 455 foot-pounds of torque. Since then, we upped it to a 150 shot, which should put it around 430 to 440 wheel horsepower. And the tune is kind of set up where the torque is kind of limited, where, you know, we're not gonna bend a rod, because if we just set all the torque to the moon, this car would make over 500 torque, and torque is what breaks these rods and RPM. So we kind of turned it down a little bit. But yeah, to simply put it, guys, the reason I've never boosted this car and the reason I'm never going to boost the 2-valve is it's maxed out already. And if you guys don't understand what that means, it just, if the car makes 430 wheel already on spray, 440 wheel on spray, why would I go and buy a centrifugal or do a supercharger or do a turbo kit just to make 440 wheel, 430 wheel all over again? It's gonna be the same amount of power, The only thing that's going to change is the power band and how it comes on. The car actually might feel slower if I put a centrifugal on it. Might even feel slower if I put a turbo on it because of the spool time. Nitrous is a punch instant power adder, so you know what I mean. That's my thoughts on it, and that's why I have never gone to supercharger turbo, because you know I started experience with Nitrous and I love Nitrous now. And I also love the fact, you know, that the car can be NA whenever it's NA, and then whenever I'm ready, it's a flip of a switch and the car's on a spray again. So if you guys never seen it, for the new viewers, this is the setup. It's a Nitrous Express plate kit. I upgraded it to dual lightning solenoids with the purge at the top, and the fuel comes right here to my fuel rail, and I have a little fuel pressure gauge there. But yeah, man, I mean, that's basically the setup. It's a 150 shot, and that's the bottle for the car with the remote opener on it. Like I said, like a flip of a switch, it's like this car is supercharged or turboed. So yeah, man, I mean, it's, to simply put it, if this car had a built motor, no doubt, you know, I would have a turbo on it, supercharger, and still maybe a little bit of Nitrous, because you know, once I've messed with Nitrous so long, guys, I'm used to Nitrous. I know how Nitrous works. I know how to use Nitrous. I'll never go back to an NA car ever again, no matter what I drive, no matter what toy I'm playing with. I'll always put a fogger on it or something like that, because Nitrous is just so cheap. And I know there's gonna be some guys out there like, oh yeah, well, Nitrous costs a lot to refill. I refill bottles now, so since I refill bottles, I do customers' bottles and stuff like that. Instead of the profit of what I get for the bottles, I just refill my own bottles. So it's pretty much like I'm getting free refills now. So I haven't sprayed the car in a long time. That's gonna be a video I'm gonna bring to you guys. I want to take the car out and go have some fun with it. It's been a really long time since I sprayed the car, so we're going to be doing that soon. And what do you guys think about that exhaust, man? Last video, it sounds so freaking good. I love it, dude. It brought the car back to life. The cams sound freaking awesome. So yeah, man, to simply put it, that's why I've never boosted the car. That's why it's never interested me to boost the car, because as you guys know, the 2-valve isn't going to be in here very long. And I know a lot of you guys want to see me do a built motor on this car. That's not something I want to do. It's not something that I want to spend my money on and waste money on. Coyote is the end goal for this. You guys know I had a Coyote F-150, and that thing, it trapped a lot of mile an hour for a freaking heavy truck. So imagine that truck motor in this car, like, it would be a freaking riot. And just so you guys know, just between me and you, I have a short block and I have my Gen 2 heads already, with valve covers, with cams and everything like that. So the Coyote swap is coming along. I'm getting all my pieces together. You guys know we have a Hanlon Motorsport TR3650 that will bolt to the Coyote. It is built, it's built for about 700 wheel. So I'm thinking about keeping my Gen 1 short block that I have. It has a spun rod bearing, and I'm thinking about maybe just going back to Gen 1 stuff, because that's all the transmission is really rated for, and 650 wheel is going to be stupid in this car. This car weighs 3,100 pounds, guys. 650 wheel, this car's gonna freaking fly, and 650 wheel is stupid safe for Gen 1. And it might make a little bit more power because it's gonna have Gen 2 heads on it. Shout out my boy JD. So yeah, man, that's just a little update on the car and a little sneak peek for you guys that are interested in the Coyote swap. I'm bringing my stuff together. Motor's pretty much put together, like as far as parts wise. I'm still debating if I want to do like a Boss bottom end, or if I just want to go back with all Gen 1 stuff, just refresh it a little bit, because like I said, it does have a spun rod bearing in it. So yeah, man, let's go hop in the car and let's rip around a little bit more, and then we'll wrap up this video. It is so damn hot, you guys. Whew. I had no idea. Literally started sweating my ass off just recording that for you guys. And this is gonna get really old reaching back for my seatbelts. I'm going to have to get harnesses and the bar across ASAP. Let's get going. Let's get some air in this thing. Don't mind that loud rattling. It's my old exhaust in the trunk. Forgot to take it out. If any of y'all are interested in those loudmouth 2s, let me know. I haven't posted them or anything. Sounds so good. Please don't hit me. Alright guys, and with that, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope I answered that question that has been asked so many times on the channel. Like I said, if the car had a built motor, turbo, especially turbo, supercharger would be no doubt. You know what I mean? It would be turbo, supercharger, or nothing. You know what I mean? But for the stock bottom end, the car's already at its limit. If we are to turn it up any more, it's kind of pushing it, and we're probably gonna blow up the motor, and I don't want to blow up this motor. That's never been my goals. My goals were to have fun with it and for the motor to last. So our goals for this car is still to go 11 seconds, which should be easily obtainable. I have a feeling we might just go 11 seconds on the first pass whenever we go back to the track. Yeah, I hope I answered your guys' questions. I hope you liked the little driving vlog. Like I said, man, I didn't have anything out for you guys today. I just got home from work today at like 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Got home, showered up. I'm all sweaty now. I have to shower again. And I'm gonna edit this video for you guys. Have it out for y'all here in a couple hours for you guys to watch. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. So with that, man, I want to get back to doing this. I was doing this for a little while and I kind of fell off, but I'm bringing it back, and that is going to be my little daily advice slash motivational talk at the end of these videos. So one thing I kind of wanted to touch on, before we do that, yeah, so these are the SLP loudmouth 2s that were on the car, and this was my dump setup. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. Instagram, Fourpointsixchris, email, Fourpointsixchris, hit me up. So one thing I kind of want to touch on, guys, because I do this myself and I try not to beat myself up about it, is set goals. Set goals for yourself. Make sure they're realistic goals. It doesn't mean that you can't shoot for something out of there. You know what I mean? Like right now, it doesn't seem like I could be doing YouTube full time anytime soon, but that's my goal. That's my long-term goal. Don't set yourself up for failure, and if you do set a goal, try not to set time frames, if that makes sense. Time frames can kind of beat you up in a way. I had set this time goal of mine to own a home by the time I was 23, 24 years old. And if you guys don't know, I'm 23 now. I'll be 24 on the 4th of June. So yeah, I had that goal set in mind, and I kind of beat myself up about it because I was already 23 and I still don't own a home yet. But my time is coming, and you know, everything is falling into place now. So if I would have let myself get beat up about it, I probably wouldn't have been in this position that I am now, and setting myself up for it a year later. So yeah, don't beat yourself up about it, guys. keep them goals in mind, set them goals. Goals are very important, and work towards those every single day. I always set mini goals, and I always try to achieve them, and it really helps me keep motivated and keep on going. So yeah, with that guys, I'm all sweaty now. Hope you guys enjoyed the little video, little driving vlog. Like I said, if you guys like that, let me know in the comments down below. I will definitely do more POV drives and stuff like that, because I kind of miss filming with the GoPro. So yeah, if you guys like this video guys, drop a thumbs up for your boy. Video's coming out in about 2 hours. After I drop this video, man, I'm gonna be crashed out of sleep. So if I don't answer your comments right away, I will do it when I wake up. So drop a like for your boy for the hard work and dedication. Edit this video, man, and I'm out of here, man. It's already been like 24 hours without sleep. So see you guys next time. It's your boy 4.6Chris. Peace, man.
I am, girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. Girl, in my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow it. Begging, please don't let me blow it. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the